Welcome to Buyer's Guide. The best makeup toy is probably one of the most exciting toys for kids who love to explore the world of beauty and fashion. This amazing toy set offers a safe and fun way for children to experiment with makeup, encouraging creativity and self-expression. With a variety of colorful cosmetics and accessories, this toy allows kids to create their own unique looks while developing their fine motor skills and imagination. Number 5. Litti Pritti Toddler Makeup Kit, Pretend Play Set. This 11-piece set includes everything your little one needs for imaginative play. It comes with a compact mirror, blush, eyeshadow, lipstick, nail polish, lip gloss, glitter pot, brushes, and a cosmetic bag. It's perfect for sparking creativity. Made from safe materials like plastic, foam, and rubber, this makeup set is designed for fun without the mess. It's ideal for at-home play or taking on the go, letting them enjoy role-playing anytime. Size just right for toddlers aged 3 to 5, this pretend makeup encourages creative expression. It gives them a grown-up feel without any of the risks, allowing them to explore and have fun. The included zip bag keeps everything organized and tidy. It's easy to carry, making it perfect for travel, sleepovers, or simply keeping their toys neat between play sessions. They can take it anywhere. This makeup kit is a great gift for birthdays or special occasions. It inspires dress-up games and self-expression, keeping your child entertained with realistic pretend tools. It's a thoughtful present. What we like. This makeup kit is made with safe materials, ensuring worry-free playtime for your little one. It also comes with a cute, easy-to-carry bag, perfect for on-the-go fun. If you have a toddler who loves to imitate and explore, this is the perfect choice for sparking their creativity. What people say. It is not actual makeup that comes off but looks just like the real ones, and the lip gloss and nail polish both come out with a real brush that can be played with but not actually put anything on, which is perfect for our little fancy girls who don't actually need the mess of makeup but want to pretend. This set is absolutely adorable for little ones. It feels very high quality and is just about as realistic as you can get for pretend makeup. Everything looks so realistic. Number 4. Melissa and Doug Wooden Beauty Salon Play Set. Let your kids become stylists. They can use the pretend tools to brush hair and apply makeup. It sparks creativity and role-playing fun every day. This set includes a wooden vanity with a child-safe mirror and storage drawer. It also comes with a hair dryer, straightener, comb, brush, and pretend makeup. This set builds empathy, communication, and problem-solving skills. It encourages creativity, confidence, and social interaction through pretend play. Looking for a birthday or holiday gift? This is perfect for rewarding little milestones. Celebrate the moments that matter with this amazing toy. Melissa and Doug inspires kid-powered play with its learning toys. This product is certified by the Forest Stewardship Council, ensuring its quality and sustainability. What we like. This wooden beauty salon set encourages imaginative play with a vanity and various accessories. It's designed to build empathy and social skills through pretend play. If you are looking for a durable and educational toy that sparks creativity and role-playing fun, this set is ideal. What people say. The makeup set includes a variety of items, such as eyeshadow, blush, lip gloss, and applicators. The set is designed to be washable, making it easy to clean up. The compact size makes it convenient for travel and storage. Number 3. Tepsmigo Pretend Makeup Kit for Girls. This Tepsmigo makeup kit includes everything your little one needs, like eyeshadow, lipstick, and more. It even comes with real brushes for a realistic experience. Everything is neatly packed in a carrying case. This kit encourages role-playing with friends, helping kids develop social and hands-on skills. It's a great way for them to explore and have fun together. The Tepsmigo Play makeup set looks and feels real, but it's completely pretend. There's no mess or coloring, just fun. It's made from safe, non-toxic materials and designed with rounded edges. The included makeup bag is perfect for keeping everything organized. It's easy for little hands to use and compact enough to take anywhere, so your little princess can carry it wherever she goes. This fashionable makeup set is sure to delight any little fashionista. It's ideal for pretend play, princess parties, playdates, or as a beginner's makeup kit. It's also great for birthdays and parent-child games. What we like. This kit includes real brushes for a more authentic makeup experience, enhancing the play. It's made of safe, non-toxic materials, ensuring peace of mind. If you like a realistic feel with safe materials and a convenient bag, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The cosmetic bag that comes with it is stylish and compact, making it easy for my niece to carry around and organize her makeup like a grown-up. The kit comes with everything a little makeup enthusiast could want: lip gloss, nail polish, blush, and more. The size of the makeup items is ideal for young children to handle. Number 2. Kids Washable Makeup Kit for Girls. Looking for a fun and safe makeup kit for your little girl? This kit is perfect. It's designed specifically for kids and provides hours of creative fun. Inside, you'll find a complete makeup set. It includes eyeshadows, lip glosses, and blushes, along with brushes. She can create endless looks. This makeup kit encourages creativity and helps develop fine motor skills. It's a fantastic gift that lets her explore her own style. Made from washable materials, this makeup kit is safe for kids. She can enjoy playing dress-up without any worries. The compact size makes it easy to take anywhere. She can bring it along on trips and enjoy playing with it on the go. Whether she's a beginner or already loves makeup, this kit is perfect. It's great for parties and lets her showcase her unique style. What we like. This kit features real, washable makeup, allowing for safe and creative play. It's also travel portable, so your child can enjoy it anywhere. If you want a makeup set that's both fun and easy to clean, this is a great option. What people say. The makeup is easy to apply and washes off easily. The set includes a variety of makeup items, such as eyeshadow, blush, and lip gloss. The compact design makes it easy to carry around. Number 1. Kids Makeup Set for Girls, Pink Black. This amazing makeup kit is perfect for young girls. It's designed to let them explore the world of color and express their creativity in a fun and safe way. Inside, you'll find a total of 66 pieces, including eyeshadows, lipsticks, and more. It has everything they need to create countless looks and enjoy hours of imaginative play. The makeup is made from non-toxic materials and is gentle on the skin. Plus, it's easily washable with soap and water, so parents can relax while their kids have fun. Looking for a great gift? This makeup kit is ideal for birthdays, Christmas, or any special event. It's a wonderful way to encourage their creativity and imagination. The set includes a variety of real makeup tools and a portable cosmetic case. It's easy to store and perfect for taking on the go, whether it's for travel or a party. What we like. This set offers a wide variety of real makeup tools, encouraging creativity. It's made from safe, washable materials, making cleanup easy. If you're looking for a comprehensive and safe makeup kit with a convenient carrying case, this is the perfect choice for your little one. What people say. The makeup is easy to apply and washes off easily. The set includes a variety of makeup items, such as eyeshadow, blush, and lip gloss. The compact design makes it easy to carry around. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.